Friends, ang term plan is yung pinaka-affordable nga na klase ng insurance plan, mga friends, no? So, for the same, at least coverage, okay, it is about mga half the price, okay, of the next expensive kind of plan, okay? So, explain ko pa sa inyo further ano ba tong term plan na to, no? So, the term plan is mainly distinguished sa, ayun ano, nasa pangalan niya na, okay? It only lasts for a certain number of years or yung term ng yung duration ng coverage ba, okay? So, ang napansin ko dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, no, 1 to 20 years yung yung available na klase ng term plan, okay? Yun yung longest. Yun yung duration na available dito sa atin, okay? So, for the most part, ang term plan is technically the same lang, okay, with other kinds of insurance plans, okay? Same mode of payments, okay? Annual, of course, semi-annual, quarterly, etc., di ba? Tapos, majority of the same riders na available in most insurance plans din, available din sa sa term plan, okay? So, meron rin tong pwede mo rin to lagyan ng health insurance benefits, okay? Ang wala lang sa term na plan, mga friends, is yung investment component. Alright, mga friends? So, kung gusto mo mag-invest or you wanna set up something like a savings plan, okay? Hindi yan available sa term plan. Kasi, obviously, that will increase the price, okay? So, pero yung the good thing, okay, convertible yung, at least dito sa amin sa AIA Philippines, convertible siya to a more expensive kind of plan, okay? So, kung afford mo na mag-upgrade, okay, you can just take your existing na term plan, tapos, ayan, pa-upgrade mo. You're just gonna have to double check sa ibang providers, okay, sa ibang companies, how do they, or can they convert yung mga term plans nila, okay? So, ayun, look out for that. Tapos, ano na rin, just be aware na rin na baka pwede kayo i-reevaluate for your health, okay? Kasi ganun yung pagkuha ng insurance plan, okay? If parang you're changing plan, okay, or parang bibili ka ng bagong plan, okay, i-evaluate yung health mo at the current time, okay, na kukunin mo siya. Alright, my friends? So, yeah, that is a term plan, mga friends, no? Ano ba yung hindi ko na for the most part yun eh. Ang duration talaga, the shorter duration ng coverage is what makes the term plan a very affordable kind of plan nga, Tapos, yeah, kung afford nyo na or you feel like pwede na kayo mag-upgrade, at least dito sa amin sa AIA, pwede namin kayo i-convert to a longer duration of plan, right? Tapos, wala rin tong investment kind of component. Tapos, pure coverage na talaga siya. Alright, my friends? So, yun lang. I hope may na-learn kayo, no? I hope this was helpful. Alright? Thank you so much talaga for watching, my friends, no? Subscribe o kaya follow my page, okay? And, kita-kits sa susunod. Alright?